guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Noel. If you're new here, please click that red subscribe button down below, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a realistic night routine, as you can see by the title, period. So this is what the I do every day before I go to bed. I just have to clean right now. My room is a mess. Like, I am so sorry that I'm putting this on the internet. Y'all finna see me clean it. Only if y'all want to, though. Y'all wanna see? So I can feel good about myself. I'm tired, y'all. Like, not even... My eyes feel heavy. Look at it. These are, like, new clothes. Because those sneakers are new that I bought. I'm gonna sell that. So check out my Depop. I'll leave it down below. And then these are just sweatpants that I bought. Oh, mini haul. The f you guys want me to try it on? Anyways, before I'm extremely embarrassed. Listen, before y'all come at me, I understand what these are. So there's this place by my job. Boy, are you dumb. There's this place by my house that sells like these college sweatpants, and I think they're so cute. Like, I love college hoodies. So like, for example, now back to me. Did you put your hands on me in my skin tight jeans? Will you take your name dreams tonight? Also have a wig that I should wear. I want to dye it pink. Oh, y'all want to see Noelle with a pink bob? Hey y'all, I'm back and I finished cleaning, so this is what it's looking like right now. Wow, look at my skeleton, y'all. Do your skeleton have lashes though? Is your skeleton a baddie? My ass gotta get in the shower, so that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I forgot, I like to take off my makeup with some this micellar water. I really like the brand Simple. Ciao. Now let's go take a shower. Silhouette of me. You said that money don't matter for me. But let me just update y'all, because I feel like I want to update y'all on my life. So if you've seen my video of the getting my butt done vlog, let me tell you that these people are so unprofessional. My appointment got canceled twice, like over 2 weeks. The fact that I had to go over there and nobody called me, and second of all, it's not even working. So I paid money for that when I could have literally done something else or save my money. My birthday's coming up. My birthday is November 23rd. For those who don't know, shout out my sad because we that. I already know what outfit I want to wear, but it's looking real expensive in my head. Nah, I'm gonna have to rip my skin off and request a new layer from God, because at this point I'm turning 21. I don't know how to act. I'm a fucking lightweight. Tomorrow the unions come out, so I have to get those. I also really want to do something for you guys very soon. I definitely want to do a giveaway. It's time. It's that season. But I want to know what y'all want. I don't want to get something that you guys all have and then nobody's gonna want to enter. I'm gonna go crazy for y'all, I promise. What y'all finna be for Halloween? Like, I already have my costume, period. Definitely posting a picture on Instagram. Am I going anywhere? Did I buy a costume for a picture? Yes. Let's see. Notification on Instagram. It's always live and I'm just like, I'm not crispy. And then we have November, which is just like my birthday, Thanksgiving, super wholesome month, if you ask me. I love November. These 3 months are so amazing, so I'm just super ready for, you know, whatever it has in store for us. I'm excited. I feel like I'm talking a lot of shit. This is my motherfucking night routine. Let me show y'all. Oh, ciao. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what your night essential is. I watch The Office every night, so what is something that you guys always do before bed? Follow me on Instagram at Chanel.Noel. I love you guys.